Good day, everyone. I'm Sarah Bakyal, a BSED Math student of ASCAT. So this day, I will discuss what is inverse. So guys, what is inverse? So inverse, the inverse of an element y in y is the set of all positive values in x and x such that f of x is equals to y. So this is denoted by f raised to negative 1 is equals the quantity of x and f of x is equals to y. Finding the inverse, say change the position of x and y and solve terms of x. So here guys, we have three examples. So number 1 is y is equals to 4x minus 7. Then number 2, y is equals to x minus 2 over x minus 3. Then the last one is y is equals to 3x plus 4 over 2x minus 3. Okay, let's start with the problem number 1. So our problem number 1 is y is equals to 4x minus 7. So first step, we have to change the y and the x. That's why it becomes x is equals to 4y minus 7. Then to find the answer, we have to transpose the 7. So from negative 7, it will become a positive 7. So our answer here is x plus 4 is equals to 4y. Then divide both sides by 4. So cancel out the 4, then y na lang din ang nabilin. So our answer here is y is equals to x plus 7 over 4 or y raised to negative 1 is equals to x plus 7 over 4. Now, let's proceed to the question number 2. So our problem is y is equals to x minus 2 over x minus 3. So first step, change the y and the x. So it becomes x is equals to y minus 2 over y minus 3. Then, we have to transpose the y minus 3. That's why it becomes x, the quantity of y minus 3 is equals to y over 2. Then, we have to, use the form method or itagtag na to ang x, which is first step is x times y. The answer is xy. Then x times negative 3x, then the answer is negative 3x. Then copy the y minus 2. So now, combined like terms. So we have to transpose first the negative 3. So, i-transpose natin siya, that's why nahimo siyang positive x3. So, our equation here is xy minus y is equals to 3x minus 2. Then, next step is we have to divide both sides by x minus 1. So, y, the quantity of x minus 1 equals 3x minus 2. Then, cancel out the both sides, which is the x minus 1. So, na-cancel na siya. That's why y na lang ang nabilin. Then, our answer here is y is equals to 3x minus 2 over x minus 1 or y raised to negative 1 is equals to 3x minus 2 over x minus 1. Now, let's proceed with the problem number 3. So, our problem number 3 is y is equals to 3x plus 4 over 2x minus 3. So, here, first step, we have to change the x and the y. So, our problem here is x is equals to 3y plus 4 over 2y minus 3. Then, same as what we did in the question number 2. That's why it's kuan na dahil na equation here. X, the quantity of 2y minus 3 equals 3y plus 4. Then, ato lang silang i-times ang x sa 2y o sa negative 3. So, x times 2y, the answer is 2xy. Then, x times 3 is equals to negative 3x. Then, copy the 3y plus 4. Then, here, we have to combine like terms. That's why we transpose nato si 3y o si 3x. Then, from positive 3y, nahimo siyang negative 3y. Then, from negative 3x, nahimo siyang positive 3y. So, mga nato equation na po here is 2xy minus 3y is equals to 3x plus 4. Then, same as what we did in the number 2 problem. So, here atong divide both sides by 2x minus 3, then canceled out. Y na lang ang nabilin. Then, our equation here, our answer here is y raised to negative 1 is equals to 3x plus 4 over 2x minus 3. That would all for today, everyone. So, I hope you enjoy my video. Bye!